Welcome guys to the video that is going to change your life. Today I want to talk about the best skill in the world, the skill that made me so much money and I'm so grateful for it. A lot of people say this is the best way, this is the best way, this is the best way. Okay, beautiful, but this worked for me. And I'm going to explain you why. It's going to make so much sense in the end because everything is sales, okay? Now, high ticket closing. High ticket closing. So high ticket, premium prices, bigger prices, closing, close the deal. So high ticket closing. So high ticket closing, it's not like selling $100 product, $500 product, even $1,000 products. These are the products that go from 3 to 50K. Okay? So $3,000 is the minimum to 50K. Now I'm going to explain you something and listen to me. Listen, you don't need to have your own service. You don't need to have your own offer. You don't need to have a brand online. You don't need to do it if you want to do high ticket sales and make extra $5, $10, $15,000 a month. You need to understand this formula. Listen, everything is online, right? We are all scrolling on Instagram. Instagram has 3 billion active users every single day on the platform, scrolling, researching, buying, watching ads, everything. 3 billion people. Billion. Crazy. And we have a bunch of influencers. We have online influencers. We have people that have big brands like 100K plus followers, even lower, but there are thousands of people that have this much followings. They're in different niches. They're promoting fitness, dating, business, marketing, advertising, drop shipping, SMMA. They're doing different stuff and they're building the brand based on some niche, some expertise that they developed, right? And all of them have like audience. They're posting stories, they're doing marketing, they're posting content. People like, comment it, say you are the best, yeah, you look great, this is so valuable. There are billions of people doing that, like having you. Also, you have some people that you're watching online and following, right? You have some people that you like online and you will buy anything from them because you trust them, because you're following their brand for a while. We have hundreds of thousands of these influencers. Now, what do? They establish relationship with their people, the brand, right? They establish the relationship and they say, okay, let's say we have fitness influencer. Fitness is one of, we have millions of the ways. He come up with the offer. I'm going to create a premium offer. I'm going to work with the people one-on-one. I'm going to help them to crush the fitness for the summer. I'm going to help them to have their first six-pack. Like I'm going to truly give them value. And it's going to be 3K. 3K. Okay, nothing. 3K. Basic offer. Beautiful. They have that offer. They have audience. Attention equals money. I hope you understand that attention equals money in today's economy. They have attention, they have offer, they're posting like how they're lifting weights, they have six-pack, they're shredded, people feel like, okay, this guy's truly gonna help me. And they have 3 to 5 people interested every single day to talk about it, to hear more about that program, to understand more about it. Because listen, 3K offer, it's not low ticket. It's really hard to sell it over the messages. If you don't have like some extremely big brand, if you're not fucking Lionel Messi, or big brands. But if you have a brand and you want to close these type of deals, people want to go and talk to you. People want to go and talk to someone from your team, just to connect with you, to understand what they are going to actually get for that money. Like, human connection. It's really cold to do only messaging. People want that. People want that human touch. And they have, let's say, 3 to 5 people a day that are interested. But what the problem is, they're shooting content, they're posting content, they're doing this, they're doing that, they're doing marketing, they're paying ads, they're hiring people. They don't have time to go every single day and go 1 hour, 45 minutes to an hour. They don't have time to go and speak with all those people every single day. They don't have a time. They're influencers. They have their own job, business, building the brand, doing the marketing, finding the people, finding setters. They don't have a time. They wanna they want to protect their time. They want to have more time for themselves, right? Businessmen. Okay. What's the solution for it? People need to talk to someone. Influencers doesn't have a time to do it. What's the solution? They're hiring high-ticket closers. So what the high-ticket closers are? They're middlemen. They're me. They're you. Hope you're going to be the one. I was the one. So I'm the middleman between the influencer and his client. What the influencer says, book the call, and it's going to be my right hand Dominik on the call with you to discuss your situation. They say, beautiful, right hand Dominik. And they book the call with me. I'm their right hand. I'm a high ticket closer. So what do? They do the marketing. They do the advertising. They're searching for people. They have the brand. They have attention. I'm not doing this part. I'm not searching for people. I'm not prospecting people to come on the call with me for their offer. No, they're booking the call with me. So influencer and his team are booking the calls on my calendar. People that are qualified, people that already want their offer, people that already are interested in it. Okay? The beautiful thing about it, you're not wasting time on searching for people. They have business. They're doing the marketing. What do? You just show up on the call with the people that are booked on their calendar, and then you talk about it. You present yourself as Richard, your influencer right hand. You talk about their situation, how you can help them, how is it going to influence their life, what is the biggest struggles that they have in their life right now, X, Y, and Z. Okay? You're a closer, and you close the deal. Okay? You get 3K from James. You're a good closer. So only thing that you need is to be a good closer. You don't need he is social media presence. He's having the brand. He's posting the content. And after you close him, he's going with him. Again, back to him. For him to coach him. So you have nothing with them anymore. What do you need to do? You need to show up on the call. Close the deal and get 10 to 15%. 10% is like the average one. You can always negotiate it if you're a good closer to 15% from every single deal that you close. And let's say now you have 3K deal. You close that deal. You have 3 to 5 calls a day. Okay. You close every second day you close the deal. But let's say you close one deal. 10%, that's $300 euros per deal. Let's say you close, I don't know how much you have. 5 calls a week. X 4 weeks in a month. Do your math. Extra 5, 10, 15K a month from just closing the deals for someone else. And that's it. And you finish call with James and you have next call booked in 10 minutes. And that's it. You go on the call, speak with people, you help them to understand their problems, you close the deal, you bring money to the influencers, and he's paying you 10 to 15% from every single deal that you close. And this is the power of high ticket closing, the best skill in the world. High ticket closing it's not just about, okay, you can do this, but you can also create your own offer, start your own brand, close for yourself. You have so much route to take, but this is the power of high ticket closing. So guys, stay strong, embrace the challenges, and never ever give up.